So much excitement, they just got moved to a new area. This is a shift attachment that I created for them, and a shift and run. So as you can see, it's connected to the main run, to the main coop. And before they were in that area, but today they were moved. So you can see why I had to move them. Wherever they congregate, there is nothing left, there is no grass. So they don't like some of the weeds, but they really go after these. So let them back here. Hi. And they make noises like little piggies when they eat. So here is Queenie and Beauty and Dark Feather. And there is Princess Becca and the 3 brownies and a Goldie. Goldie's back there actually. So these are just 3 brownies. And of course, when they can't go back to the original place where they were last time, they're always trying to find a spot to get out. For them, the grass is always greener on the outside. Except Beauty, she knows exactly what she wants. She loves clover. These 2 always try to get out. Goldie buzzes everyone. I could swear that's a rooster by the way it behaves. Hi, Goldie. Hi, Goldie. Yeah, I know. You're never happy. And they make, like I said, they make noise like little winkers. Oink, oink, oink. That's when they're happy and chewing.